Welcome to techxlovers. Essential survival gadgets for every man. Wicked Laser Flash Torch. The Wicked Laser Flash Torch is a handheld flashlight that is known for its incredible brightness and power. It is capable of producing up to 12,000 lumens of light, which is enough to illuminate a large area or to search for objects in the dark. The flash torch is always and also very durable and can withstand even the most extreme conditions. The flash torch is powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that can provide up to 2 hours of continuous use. The flashlight also has a number of features that make it easy to use, including a variable brightness control, a strobe mode, and a SOS signal mode. If you are looking for a handheld flashlight that is incredibly bright and powerful, the Wicked Laser Flash Torch is a great option. It is a durable and versatile flashlight that is perfect for a variety of applications. Survivor Outdoor Duct Tape. Survivor Outdoor Duct Tape is a heavy-duty duct tape that is designed for outdoor use. It is waterproof, UV-resistant, and can be used in extreme temperatures. It is also easy to tear and has a strong adhesive backing. It is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks such as repairing tents, tarp, and other outdoor gear, security items to backpacks and other equipment, creating makeshift shelters and band-aids, and protecting gear from the elements. Buckeye Compass. The Buckeye Compass is a multifunctional compass that is designed for outdoor use. It is waterproof, shockproof, and has a bolt inclinometer. The Buckeye Compass also has a number of features that make it easy to use, such as rotating bezel, a directional arrow, and a sighting mirror. The Buckeye Compass is a great choice for backpackers, campers, and anyone else who spend time outdoors. It is durable and versatile compass that can be used for a variety of tasks, such as navigating in the wilderness, finding your way back to camp, and measuring the slope of terrain. Camillus High-Line Branch Saw. The Camillus High-Line Branch Saw is a lightweight and compact hand saw that is designed for pruning trees and shrubs. It has a 10-inch covered blade that is made of high carbon steel and features a comfortable grip and a safety card. The Camillus High-Line Branch Saw is a great choice for homeowners, gardeners, and other outdoor enthusiasts who need a durable and reliable hand saw. It is easy to use and can cut through branches up to 3 inches in diameter. Carnivore 18 Machete. The Camillus Carnivore 18 Machete is a heavy-duty machete that is designed for cutting through dense vegetation and other low materials. It has a 12-inch blade that is made of titanium bonded stainless steel, and it features a full constructions for added strength. The Carnivore also has a comfortable grip and a durable sheath. The Camillus Carnivore 18 Machete is a great choice for backpackers, campers, hunters, and other outdoors enthusiasts who need a durable and reliable machete. It is easy to use and can be used for a variety of tasks such as clearing brush, cutting down trees, and harvesting firewood. AR-6 Stinger 2. Steambow AR-6 Stinger 2 is a compact and powerful crossbow that is designed for ease of use and accuracy. It features a number of innovative design elements such as quick loading, magazine, and a built-in cocking aid, and a variety of customization options. The AR-6 Stinger 2 is powered by a pair of high-performance lenses that deliver up to 150 lbs of kinetic energy. It gives very enough power to take down medium game animals at close range. The crossbow also features a Picatinny rail on top of the receivers for mounting optics, and a Picatinny rail on the bottom of the forearm for mounting accessories such as laser or flashlight. The AR-6 Stinger 2 is a great choice for hunters, archers, and anyone else who want a powerful and accurate crossbow that is easy to use. It is also a good choice for self-defense or home protections. Ulliner TI. The Mjolnir TI is a titanium necklace inspired by Thor hammer Mjolnir. It is handcrafted in the USA and is made from high-quality titanium, which is known for its strength, durability, and corrosion resistance. The Mjolnir, it is a popular choice for people who are looking for a unique and stylish necklace that is durable and long-lasting. It is also a popular choice for people who are fans of Norse mythology or a Marvel Cinematic Universe. The Mjolnir TI is available in a variety of finishes, including silver, black, and gold. It is also available in a variety of sizes, so you can find the perfect one to fit your style. Zippo 4-in-1 Woodsman. The Zippo 4-in-1 Woodsman is a versatile outdoor tool that combines four essential functions into one: a hatchet, a saw, a hammer, and a stick puller. It is made with the durable materials and construction. It is backed by a Zippo lifetime warranty. The Woodsman hatchet head is made of steel and has a 5-inch cutting edge. The saw blade is made of high carbon steel and is 15 inches long. The hammer head is made of a forged steel and has a curved claw for pulling nails. The stick puller is also made of a forged steel and a V-shaped knot for gripping stakes. The Woodsman is a great tool for camping, backpacking, and other outdoor activities. It is also a good tool to keep in your car or home for emergencies. Baja Shovel. The Baja Shovel is a multifunctional tool designed for survival. It features 21 tools in one, including a shovel, axe, saw, hammer, and more. It is made from durable materials and is designed to be lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry with your own hikes, camping trips, or other outdoor adventures. The Baja Shovel is a versatile and essential tool for any survivalist or outdoor enthusiast. It is perfect for camping trips, hiking, adventure, or any other situations where you may need to be prepared for the unexpected. Tap Wallet. The Tap Wallet is a tactical wallet that is designed to be durable, functional, and secure. It is made from high-quality materials including aluminum and stainless steel, and it features a number of security features such as air-fried blocking and tamper-proof closure. The Tap Wallet also features a number of useful tools such as flashlight, a bottle opener, and a glass breaker. It also has a built-in money clip and a card compartment that can hold up to 12 cards. The Tap Wallet is a great choice for anyone who is looking for a durable and functional wallet that offers a variety of features. It is also a good choice for people who are looking for a wallet that is both stylish and secure. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.